my name is Brian Vass. I talk a lot about the 5 skill sets that middle school kids are missing. Skill sets that turn kids from hating math to it being their favorite subject. And so in my previous videos, you'll know that I talked about the brain-mind learning skill set, and I want to talk to you a little bit more about that today. Because inside of the brain-mind learning skill set, there are 3 important groupings. And 10 years ago, after working with middle school math kids, I created a document and I called it a 3-dimensional model of learning. And the 3 groupings of the learning principles that kids are missing align with those elements that I discovered 10 years ago. So the first is the emotional climate. Now, what happens is that there's a set of skills that help prepare kids for what they're about to learn. And that's really important. Kids need to be prepared to go into a learning situation. The second one is the instructional climate. And there's a whole set of learning skills that help kids to process information. And that, of course, is really important as well. And then finally, there's a set of skills that help kids to create retention and hold on to what they're learning. So these 3 sets of skills address the 3 biggest problems that middle school kids are having with their math courses in middle school. And what it is number 1, they don't like it. Number 2, they really don't know how to do it. And number 3, they fail at it. And if you're failing at it, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. So here's the thing. Nobody likes doing something they're no good at. So the question then, of course, is how do you get kids to like math? And the obvious answer to what we've just been talking about is that you prepare them emotionally. You let them know that, you know what, this is going to be easy for you to do. And there's ways to let kids, there's skills in order to give kids so that they can feel really comfortable about what they're going to be learning. And how do you get them to be good at math? Well, you give them learning skills that allow them to process information in a way that frees up the neurons in their brain and makes learning faster and easier. And there is a way to do that that is so fantastic that it really, really enables kids to be fantastic math students. And then finally, how do you get them to a point where they can ace every test? And of course, what you do is you teach them retention principles. There are retention principles according to how the brain actually processes and retains information. So kids deserve to be math experts. That's our job as parents and as teachers, to make our kids the best they can be, and anything else is a crime.